Hi, you want to copy the entire worksheet including formulas and formatting from one file to another, then do the following. Here I have two worksheets named Book 1 and Book 2. First, you open both worksheet. For example, if you want to copy the entire worksheet from Book 2 to Book 1, do the following. The Book 2 worksheet is formatted and uses a formula. On the worksheet called Book 2, you must right-click on Sheet 1 and click Move or Copy. Here you select the worksheet you want to copy to. In this case you choose Book 1. Then you create a new sheet on the Book 1 file and paste it there. And here is the result. Now you just need to rename it as you like. Finally, you save the result. Good luck.